Today I am going to tell you about the Mendel's law of independent assortment. But this law was made by Mendel after an experiment. And I'm going to describe that experiment also. Now, before the experiment, we have to be very clear about some other matters, just like character. What is character? Mendel Mendel highlighted the characters of the organism. According to him, an organism is sum total of the character. Just for example, we can take example of pea plant. In case of pea plant, some of the pea plants are tall, some are dwarf. It means height is a character. It has two factors or two genes. Two genes, one the character of being tall, another the character of being dwarf. In the same way, another character we can take color of flower, maybe red, maybe white. And in the same way, texture of seed. Texture of seed may be round seed like this, or maybe wrinkled seed. This is the texture of seed having two different genes or two different factors according to Mendel. The character of being round and character of being wrinkled. In the same way, the other also, just like pea pod, texture of pea pod. Pea pod may be this type of pea pod in which we have pea seed inside it, inflated pea pod, or maybe this type of pea pod which is called constricted pea pod. And inside this constricted pea pod we have seed. And in this way, an organism, or maybe this pea plant or any other organism, is the sum or total of the characters. And in this part, what we are going to do actually, Mendel tried to find out the relation between different these factors or genes of different character. Is there any relation between the height and color of seed? Is there any relation between the texture of seed and the color of seed? He tried to find out the relation between these different factors of different characters. And for this, he did dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross means he considered two characters. A plant has many characters, just like this I told you just now. Pea plant has many characters, and it is the sum of all these characters. But he only studied two characters in an experiment. He told that this is dihybrid cross, and that I'm going to represent here. Just for example, he took one pure tall, pure. Okay, let's not don't take tall because all the time we are taking tall. Pure, round and yellow. Round and yellow. Yellow seed pea plant. Round, pure round means what? It has the genes both having the character of being round, that is denoted by capital R. Both genes are capital R, but both factors are capital. And yellow, pure yellow means what? It has this type of gene. And another side, he took pure. This is I am talking about the texture of seed. Now color of seed. Pure. This is the round is the texture and yellow is the color. Color and texture, we are taking two characters. One the color of the seed, another texture of the seed. Another he took pure wrinkled. Wrinkled, but the seeds are green in color. And its gene must be like this. Wrinkle means round is capital R, wrinkled means small r, and pure wrinkle means both genes have the character of being wrinkle and small r, small r. And green means if yellow is dominant character, green is recessive character. That's why this y. Yeah, here actually when he took this pure round yellow seeded pea plant and cross pollinated with pure wrinkles green seeded pea plant, then what he found, actually what he found, this cross gave all the pea plant round and yellow. The round and yellow means this round and yellow was hybrid round and hybrid yellow, and this is denoted by this. Hybrid round is denoted by this, and hybrid yellow is denoted by this way. And this is cross pollination, cross pollination. And this is the parent. Parent is this to pure round yellow and pure wrinkle yellow, and this is hybrid, hybrid, hybrid round yellow. Now he took this round yellow, hybrid round yellow, and self-pollinated the hybrid round yellow. And in self-pollination, what happened? This round, when this hybrid round yellow is considered to be self-pollinated, then we may have this type of gene, just like in the gamete, this type of gene. Out of these two, one of the character comes in the gene. Round may combine with this yellow. This is one type of gene. Round can combine with this yellow also. The another gene is like this, ry, and if this small r and capital Y combines with each other, then we'll have this type of gene. And if this is combined with this round, is if hybrid round is combined with this, then we'll have this type of gene. Look at this. And this is the gamete in the gene. This is the gene in the gamete. Okay, gamete, when two different types of gamete combine with each other, then another fertilization takes place, and another generation, we can get another generation. I want to draw a table to represent this, like this. If we make a table, I'm making this table for second generation. This is first generation. Okay. When two gametes combine with each other, then they form what, zygote, and it grows to another pea plant. Now this is another gamete. The possible gametes are written like this. Now I am writing here gametes, possible gametes. These are the gametes, and this is first generation, F1 generation, and now after this self-pollination, we are getting second generation. Now how we get second generation, what type of gene we'll have in second generation? Look at this. When this gamete combines with this, then we'll have capital R, capital Y, capital Y. This combines with this capital, small. This combines with this capital, small, capital. This combines with this capital, small, capital, and small. In the same way, this gametes, when combined with this capital R, capital Y, small y, and this when combines, This is R. Now this when combines with this R, small r, capital Y, small y, when this combines with this R, small, capital, capital, this R, small, capital, small, when this combines small, small, y, capital, capital, here small r, capital Y, small y. And this is when capital R, small, capital, small. This when combine R, small y, small y. When this combines with this R, small, small, capital and small. This when combines all is small. Look at this. What is this? This is second generation. Actually, we are concerned with second generation. This is called F2 generation. And what is the result in F2 generation? When the hybrid round yellow seeded pea plant of first generation is self-pollinated with each other, then this result is found. Now, how can we verify this result? These pea plants can be told as round seeded pea plant if one of the R is capital, because round is dominant character. That's why out of these two R, if only one is capital R, then we can say this is round seeded pea plant. If both are capital R, then pure round seeded. That's why if one of the R is capital, that means that the appearance is round seeded pea plant, round seed. And if one of the Y is capital, that is also yellow seeded pea plant. But both the R are if small, then it means it's not round, wrinkled. And if both the Y are small, then that is green. This way, how can we identify them? Look at this. This is round yellow. This is round yellow. This is, I am going to mark them, round yellow, round yellow. This is also round yellow because one R, at least one R is capital and two Y's are capital. This is round yellow. This is round yellow. This is not round yellow, round but green. This is another type, round green. And this is round, this is yellow, round yellow. And this is round green. This is round green. That's why I want to make this type of symbol. Here, now this is what? This is round yellow. This is round yellow. This is round yellow. This is not round yellow. Wrinkled yellow. This is wrinkled yellow. This is another type. And this is wrinkled yellow. This is also wrinkled yellow. Because both are small, that's why wrinkled. One of the Y is capital, that's why yellow. And this is round yellow because at least one R and one Y are capital. This is round green. Round green, this type, round green. And this is wrinkled yellow, like this. And this is wrinkled green. This is completely different. Look at this. Now, how many dot mark are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dot mark represents, all of them are round yellow. This means round yellow seeded pea plant. Round yellow are round yellow. Round yellow is 9. And in the same way, what is this? Round green. How many round greens are there? 1, 2, 3. Round green. It is 3. And this is wrinkled yellow. Wrinkled yellow. How many are there? 3. And wrinkled green. How many? 1. It means the ratio of the external appearance, which is called phenotype. The phenotypic ratio in second generation is 9:3:3:1. 9:3:3:1. And this is round yellow is to round green is to wrinkled yellow is to wrinkled green. 9:3:3:1. This way, actually, this is the analysis. And we are talking about the genes also. What kind of gene are there? Now I want to write the gene also. Round yellow might have this type of gene, both are capital, both Y capital, or round yellow may be like this also, both are capital, but one of the Y is capital, another is small, or maybe round yellow may be capital R and small r, and both the Y are capital. And round yellow may be like this: the R, small r, capital Y, and small y. Look at this. In this type of genes, at least one of the R is capital and at least one of the Y is capital. That's why round yellow might have these four types of gene. And now round green. Round green, how many types of round green? Round, maybe this way. Round green, this is round green, or maybe R, small r, at least one R is capital, that's why round. But green must have both the Y. Round green must have these two types of gene. And another one, this wrinkled yellow. Wrinkled means both the R are small, and yellow means maybe both the Y capital, or both the R must be small, one of the Y is if capital, that is also wrinkled. Wrinkled yellow. Wrinkled yellow, wrinkled yellow. There are two possible genotype of wrinkled yellow. Type of gene is called genotype. Now wrinkled green, it is just both R small r and both Y small y. These are the possible genes, not more than this. These four are round yellow, and these four different types of gene of round yellow, two different types of gene of round green, and two different type of gene of wrinkled yellow, and one type of gene is of what, wrinkled green. And this is the understanding of the genotype also. Genetic constitution of an organism with regard to one or more character is called genotype. Here two characters are taken, and this is the genotype, and it is categorized into this type. Now, we are exactly not concerned with all these genotype at this time. We are going to find out the law of independent assortment. Actually, what was the target of the Mendel? He was trying to find out the relation between the factors or genes of different character. Just for example, this round and wrinkle are the factors or genes of the character texture, and yellow and green are the genes or factors of the character color of seed. And what he was trying to find out, in the nature, what he found, round seeded plant has yellow colored seed. Is there any relation between round and yellow? If a plant has round texture, then it must be yellow, or it can be green also. In the same way, he found that in the nature there are wrinkled seeded pea plant having green colored seed. And he was trying to find out the relation between these two different factors of two different character. Is there any relation between them or not? And what is found in first generation, all of them were round yellow. Nothing was told at that time. I mean to say, it cannot give any idea. But in second generation, what is found? Round yellow, round seeded pea plant are found to be green also. Round seeded pea plant are found green also. And in the same way, wrinkled seeded pea plant are found not only green, they were found yellow also. What it mean? It means different factors or genes of different characters have no relation with each other. They randomly distribute in the offspring. Exactly, this is called Mendel's law of independent assortment. It can be written this way. Look at this nicely. We can write different factors. These are the factors. Different factors or genes. The same factors Mendel told factor, but later it is told as genes. It's different factors or genes of different character, texture, color of seed, etc. Different characters of the organism do not have any link with each other. It is not necessary to be yellow if the seed texture of seed is round. It can be green also. Organisms do not have any link with each other, but they randomly distribute in the offspring. It is declared with the help of this dihybrid cross, and this is the example. And in second generation, looking at the second generation, it is declared, and this law was formulated by the Mendel. This is all for today.